What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam and this is Vancity Audi. This video is going to be a quick one for you, and it's going to explain how to put your B9 S4 into dyno mode. When I was on the dyno with Integrated Engineering Stage 1 91, their 93, and their E40 file, I didn't have a problem at all on the dyno. The car worked flawlessly. We just turned traction control all the way off and hit it, and it worked perfectly fine. As soon as I stepped it up to the E85 power level, though, it really upset the car. I'm not sure exactly what it was, but I ended up deactivating the sports diff as well as putting the car into dyno mode. And in this video, I'll go through both of those with you. So in order to put your car into dyno mode, you're going to need this VCDS cable. What this is going to do is plug into your OBD2 port, you're going to download the software, and this is what it looks like. Now I'll walk you through step by step on how to put your car into dyno mode. Once the dongle is plugged into the car, you're going to give the car power, and then you're going to open your program. In VCDS, you're going to select Control Module. Once this is loaded up, you're going to want to go into ABS Brakes. Once you're in ABS Brakes, down to Adaptation. Then, to the search bar, you're going to want to type in DYNA. That's going to pull up multiple channels. You want to select the first one, Dynamometer Mode Functional. You're going to click on that, and it's going to say Not Activated. That means the car is not in dyno mode. You're going to want to go down to New Value, and then you're going to want to select Activated. Then, once it says Activated, you're going to want to go down here and hit Do It. Now, it confirms you want to do this. Yes, you absolutely do. Then your car is going to light up like a Christmas tree and start beeping away at you, telling you that something is wrong. This is basically removing all of the restrictions so your car can work properly on the dyno. So I would imagine that for most people, that's going to be it. Dyno mode, your car is going to work perfectly on the dyno with no issues. Now, I'm not too sure why mine didn't work correctly. Maybe I did a run, I turned off the car, and I forgot to put it back in dyno mode. But what we did in addition to that is I pulled the fuse for the sport diff. So in your trunk on the left-hand side, you're going to see this cubby. You're going to want to open it up. Inside there, you're going to find multiple fuses. You're looking for the one that's marked 30 on the lowest one. You're going to want to carefully remove this pink plastic clip and then pull out that 30. That is going to deactivate your sport diff. So with your car being in dyno mode and having that sport diff fuse pulled, it should work flawlessly on the dyno. Keep in mind that I am 99% sure as soon as you turn the car off and then turn it on again, it is out of dyno mode. You have to re-put it in. And I think what may have happened on that day is we turned off the car, we went to do another pull, and I forgot to reinitiate dyno mode, and that's maybe why I had to pull that sport diff fuse for it to work properly. I hope this video was short and sweet enough for all of you out there. Hopefully it makes it a lot easier for all of you on the dyno to activate dyno mode and get the most out of your B9 S4s. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.